today's video, I'll show you how you can change phone numbers seamlessly using non-VoIP numbers. So let's begin. Firstly, you need to log into your PayPal account, and then after login, you'll see a settings icon. You click there and it will lead you to the accounts information page, and there you will see a section of phone numbers where you need to click on change. Then click on add number, and now we'll head back to PVA Deals website and log in there. And once you logged in, you need to type the website's name in the search box and generate the number. Once the number is generated, copy that number and paste it to the PayPal. Click on add phone number, head back to PVA Deals website and copy the code and paste it to PayPal screen, and then click on validate. And that's it, folks. Just set the number you have added recently as a primary number and remove the old one. And there you have it, folks. Changing phone numbers have never been this easy. Thank you to PVA Deals and their cutting edge technology, non-VoIP solutions. You can now navigate the online world with confidence and security.